everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Akansha and today's tutorial is gonna be about resin art. I have recently explored this art and I just loved it, so I thought of sharing with you. इसे बनाने के लिए हमें चाहिए होगा resin liquid. ये मैंने Instagram से ऑर्डर किया था और आपको Flipkart और Amazon पर भी मिल जाएगा. मैं सारी लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेंशन कर दूँगी. So till now, if you didn't subscribe my channel, do like and subscribe my channel. It motivates me. So without any further delay, let's get started.
So these are some samples. Watch this video till end because I'll share some helpful tips for you. So here in place of measuring cup, I took this syrup cap because measurement is given there, and this resin liquid and hardener and molds. These are mandatory things. After that, colors and this additional stuff you can take. Make sure you'll cover your surface, means table, with plastic, because अगर थोड़ा भी chemical गिर जाता है वो permanently stick हो जाएगा. After that, here I took 5 ml of resin and 2.5 ml of hardener. Hardener should be half of resin. After that, I am adding this gold flakes. Mix it very well till 2 minutes. There should be no bubbles. After that, pour it nicely and make sure you cover all the edges properly. In remaining liquid, I have added white acrylic color. Now I am taking 10 ml of resin and 5 ml of hardener. Mix it very well with blue acrylic color. There will be some micro bubbles visible, but don't worry about that because once you'll pour the liquid, this mixture, after getting dry, it will not be visible. I'm using this ice cream stick to cover all the edges and trying to make this wavy look. These are the additional stuff I took from craft store. Now I am going to use straw to mix this color because we cannot do it with ice cream stick. Color will get mixed. After 15 hours, I can see it's little bit dry and hard. After that, I am taking these stickers. For these stickers, we need proper machine, which I don't have. So these I printed from shop where vehicle sticker or radium get prints. Now this time I am taking the last mixture, 10 ml of resin and 5 ml of hardener, mixing it very well because this is the last coat. You can see the micro bubbles that will be invisible once it will get dry properly. So leave it for 24 hours. Comment below if you have any query and you want more tutorial on resin art. Now I can see it's completely dry and hard. So I'm going to use sandpaper to make smooth edges. After that, I'm using this golden acrylic color for all the borders, but it takes a lot of time to get dry. So if you found this tutorial easy, do not forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.